Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you some more fun, adorable Halloween embellishments that I've been working on using the mini envelope punch. This is a piece of confetti here and a sticker, little flower punch that I can't find right now. You know, little word stickers. I think Marjolein gifted that to me, so thanks so much, Marjolein. And there's a little sticker there. And I left the back plain because I'll probably be gluing them down anyways. And then I got some bones and a word sticker from Tim Holtz there, and I just colored it in gold. A little Frankie face there, little gold sequin dangle and some stickles on the end. Those bat bows that you can make following Rebecca Creates tutorial, and I have one out too, and they're just so much fun. This is a piece of confetti cut in half. This is supposed to say let's play. I tried embossing it with white embossing powder, a little stamp and a die cut, and my green's not looking too good of the embossing powder, so don't let it sit too long, guys. And this one I love with the kitty cat, and this is from an eyelash box. I don't have it close by to me, but it's for eyelashes, and it comes with a little graveyard scene, so I put that on there. A kitty cat with some green stickles for the eyes, another word and a sticker. And I distressed all the edges on the envelope and the paper. Got Dracula in there, spider, and this is a new stamp and die set I got from Michaels, and another sticker. This is from the same eyelashes. Bow, more confetti. Wish I could find that flower punch. Dracula. But yeah, they came out so cute. I love how many different looks you can get on these, and I can hardly wait to do a steampunk one. Oh my gosh, I'm so looking forward to that. I love this one too. It's one of my favorites. So cute. And I think this is the last one, the Froggy and Frankie. And yeah, so that's my share for today. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day, everybody. Bye for now.